Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, IAmMarche, where I review different beauty products that I'm currently using or new products that I'm testing out. So here we go. Just wanna be your girl. So the product that I have today is the CeraVe Ultra-Light Moisturizing Lotion with sunscreen. It has SPF of 30. The product says that it moisturizes and helps restore the protective skin barrier, and it has 3 essential ceramides and hyaluronic acid with a matte finish. So obviously I like the matte finish because I have oily skin, so that was attractive to me. And then with the hyaluronic acid, as you know, hyaluronic acid attracts water, so it helps your skin be more plump and supple and hydrated, so that also attracted me as well. So the purpose of this product is to moisturize your skin and have your SPF and your moisturizer for your daytime or your morning routine. Obviously you would use this like any other moisturizer. Once you wash your face, do whatever serums, any kind of vitamin C, under eye cream, whatever, you would top everything off with this moisturizer. So it sounds great concept. Moisturizer that you need, SPF that you need in one combination, 2 steps in one. Perfect for what I was looking for. I have it here. I did use it, but you guys, I really wanted to like this. Just didn't work out. So when I first started using this product, I was really excited, you know, because previously I had been using the Olay and Olay Complete, I think it was called. Ran out of that. I was like, I'm going to try, you know, something else. I'm gonna do something a little different, you know, be fancy. So I went to get this product. I think I got it from either Target or Walmart. So I got this product, came home, started using it the next day. So the first couple days it was fine, no problems. You know, it doesn't really leave a white cast. I didn't really like the tube too much because it would get, you know how some pumps, the product gets stuck. So that was kind of like eh, but you know, whatever. If it does a job, then great. So eventually I was using the product, and one day my face started itching, like literal, like itching, like something was crawling on me, and it would like be my entire face just start itching. And I was just like, absolutely not. So at first I didn't know what it was, and I was like, okay, that's weird. Maybe it's something happening that I don't know about. Maybe, you know, maybe it's something else that I had. You know, maybe it's a combination. Products don't get along. So I continued to use it, and I continued to have my face itch. And it was itching like every other day or every day. And I was just like, this is weird. So I stopped using the product because it was one of the more recent products that I had purchased. So I stopped using it, and of course my face stopped itching when I stopped using it. So I'm not going to blame the product itself. I'm not going to say that this product specifically is the reason my face was itching, because I've tried another product with SPF in it, and it also makes my face itch. Why? I guess I'm just having an allergic reaction to the sunscreen. So this product for me does not work because apparently I'm allergic to whatever type of sunscreen they're using in the product. So I cannot use it. However, it did what it was supposed to do. I mean, it was just a regular day moisturizer. It has SPF 30, which is really good. You really want something 20 and above for every single day. Raining, sunny, snow, cloudy, every single day you want a SPF. So I had to stop using it, unfortunately. But I will recommend it if you want something that's a combination of 2-in-1 moisturizer and SPF, and you like CeraVe, and if it doesn't bother your skin, then you should be fine. So overall, I would say that it is a decent product, just not something for my skin. But I would encourage you to try it if again you're looking for a combination product at a reasonable price that you can find at your local Target or your local Walmart. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you for watching, and until next time, you're welcome.